So this is my cabin on the World Cruise. It's cabin 8500, and it's an ultra spacious family. It's not a suite, it's an ultra spacious family room. It actually has 2 bedrooms. This is the main bedroom. Have a huge big window. We are right on the front of the ship. It's a huge window above the master bed. There's a really big closet in here with shelves. Living area, and there's a pull-out couch there. Some ottomans that I brought from home. Then on the other side I made a little desk area. We actually brought this piece of cardboard to put our laptops in. Have another big window. We have this really big storage area here. Everything's magnetic, so I can hang everything on the walls. All my jewelry, our TV, our fridge. We got robes. This is the little vanity area where I do all my makeup. There's everything's hanging, my jewelry. We have a tea kettle. We can make coffee or tea every morning. Then on the second little bedroom, I actually stood up the mattresses and made me a walk-in closet. For the bathroom, we have just a regular bathroom, but it's just perfect for the 2 of us. Another one of those hanging shelves. Everything fits just right.